now I'm gonna do the other side too. I didn't even think I'm good at doing this little hair stuff. Hey, look. This is so much fun. I'm a trip, bro. This is so much fun. Turn the TV off. Hey y'all, it's your girl Emily. I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing a hair review on Dolago Hair, and it's a Yankee straight lace front wig. So y'all, I'm gonna be, you know, putting on the wig and styling it for y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe before we get into the video. And I know I look crazy right now. I know. But oh well. Let's get into the video. So I'm gonna start with the wig, and I already laid it down and everything like that. You see? Look good, huh? I know. So first I'm gonna put what you call it? Got a brush. I'm gonna put some foundation on my cap, just to like, so it can match up what I got going on here. Cause baby, what we not finna do. So I'm finna take the wig off. I'm excited to see how it's gonna look. It's stuck on there. What the frick? Okay.
It feels like I'm gonna die. It feels like I'm about to die. If I can't have you, and I wanna be alone with you, alone with you, my love. So I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone with you, my love. Ever since I saw you with your deep blue eyes, there was something that I just couldn't deny. Something starts to burst in my chest deep inside. Why do love like this hurt? Oh my God. It feels like I'm gonna die. It feels like I'm about to die. If I can't have you, and I wanna be alone with you, alone with you, my love. So I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone with you, my love. so I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone, 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 alone with you, my love. Oh, alone, yeah, alone. Why do love like this hurt? Yeah, alone. Why do love never wanna be alone with you? Alone, 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 alone with you, my love. Yeah, I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone, 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 alone with you, my love. Why do love like this hurt? Why do love like this hurt? Hey.
So now I'm gonna do the other side too. I didn't even think I'm good at doing this little hair stuff. Hey, look. This is so much fun. I'm a trip, bro. This is so much fun. Turn the TV off.
Sure, she's doing her hair video.
Okay. So, y'all. This how I look. Now I'm just gonna go. Oh, shit. Oh. I'm gonna go to this side. I'm gonna do the same thing. Water. Slay the edges. Okay, so now I'm just gonna spray the top with the Got To Be glue spray, and then oh, fall. And then I'm just gonna go through it and comb it. This. Sorry, y'all. I had so much in my face. Okay. So make sure y'all go get this hair. It's really pretty, and I really like it. It looks good. And bam. You're gonna be a baddie for the rest of your life if you get this hair. And it's called this is the Yankee straight texture, and it's so pretty. You gotta know what I'm saying. And it's from Dolce. Wow. No. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more. And bye.